So today's video is gonna be on the go. I'm just chilling in my room. We just got home from work, really tired. So this news article actually got me. Big up to the Star. This one is from the Star. Here, raising prices, women spending up to $120,000 for wigs. On the weekend, an 84,600 receipt obtained at a local store for a wig went viral on various social media pages, with many astonished at the price tag. However, one Jamaican-based wig retailer, Natalia Woods Ramsey of Nats Royal, told the Star that her prices sometimes run up to $120,000, depending on the specifics the client requires. Wig starts from 30,000 and go up to 120,000 because some persons want 30 inches, they want 32 inches, and they want a lot of bundles in it. They want frontals, they want color, they want to look like the ladies overseas, but some just don't want to pay for it, she explained. They're always amazed by how it looks. They're always amazed by how it looks. But when it comes to the price, tell them, your Lord Jesus, this could have buy block. It could have buy steel. It could have buy all kinds of things, she added. Such sentiments were expressed by the social media users who commented on the wig's price tag. I must you hear this when me a hear say when rain a fall it on umbrella. I said thing me I said to girl, he must all come cook for me, wash me man clothes, it all come, the wig all come and go work for me, beard me and all these things. Cause me not pay so much money for no wig. A free pass to heaven, a everlasting life. When dog have money, them take it by all flee. Facebook user Jasmine Johnson posted. The receipt picture amazed over 800, not 80,000, 800 shares, 700 likes, and 400 comments. Curly Osborne, owner of Rapunzel, where the Kim K long wig was purchased, said she was a bit surprised that the person were seemingly unaware that some wig units could attract such costs. When I think about the length and the quality of hair that was purchased, I don't think that price was outrageous. But I understand where people who were commenting were coming from because they don't have any details regarding the unit, Osborne said. She explained 5 bundles of 32 inch or 30 inch 8A grade Malaysian hair, a 24-inch frontal which has been customized and made into a dome cap. But Osborne, whose first opened Rapunzel 8 years ago, said an $82,000 wig is higher than the average cost, which is between $20,000 and $25,000. Because not many people will walk around with 30-inch hair. According to a 2013 trade report, Jamaica's importation of wigs and weaves was said to hit $1 billion at the time based on growth over the previous 4 years. So Umandia Jamaica has spent $120,000 fee here. And I can't knock them. But what I will say is, I live in the United States of America, where the best of the best, and I mean best of the best, Malaysian, Brazilian, Cambodian, Eurasian, every genre of here you could have get 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A, every grade of hair that you can possibly think of. They're the United States of America, and you can buy it. Me not pay. So basically, $120,000 Jamaican is rounded to, let me see, about $10,000 US. So you're spending $10,000 in US, converted to Jamaica, $128,000. Not exactly, it's a bit off. Jamaican for buy here. You guys know that I wear wigs, I wear weaves. Mostly wigs. I don't wear weaves anymore. But never in a million years would I spend $10,000 US on a wig. And I've had Brazilian, I've had Eurasian, and I've definitely have Malaysian, and I've never spent so much on it. And my hair lasts 2 to 3 years when I buy it. I'm gonna spend more than two to $300 for my hair. So when uno they spend uno 10 grand, mother love to know which part uno they get them the type of money they from. Because the last time I checked, the minimum wage in Jamaica was very, very low. It was $7,000 a week. So which part uno they get $120,000 to buy here? Uno they sell crutches, uno they prostitute. What they do? Cause me da like fi know. Cause me da like fi make some of the money there. I'm sure enough other people where they are road would have love to know how to make that money. But if I anything want to have to do like illegal and sell crutches and prostitution and it's, I'm sure enough people not gonna do it. I'm sure not gonna do it neither. But hey, spill the tea. Me want the tea by 100. Spend 120 grand per falls here. And Jamaica economic situation, like economic situation is such shambles. To see stuff like this on social media make me really, really mad when our people are not even signing off on paperwork to increase minimum wage. Then they spend money per Brazilian and Malaysian here though. You know how much, you know that could be a down payment on a house. That could be a car. That could send your kids to college. That could buy books, pay a school fee, make one house, buy black steel and pay for people work and make one house. So buying $120,000 here is very confusing to me. Me not understand it. I don't get it at all. Me hair will grow out of my scalp. Una want some? Me sell on it for 10 grand. Me have some in my closet right now when me cut off the other day. About 12 inch. Una can get that for about 120 Jamaican. 120,000 Jamaican. Give me 10 grand US for it and we can take it and go on. And what about other people here, so? Me bumbo. Me not see none of them spend no here no afro. Me not see none of them spend no 120 pounds so afro here. This goes deeper though. This goes way deeper. Our Jamaican women are so mentally enslaved that they think the only way to look good or the only way to look pleasing or sexy is to wear other people hair. And I'm here to tell you, I'm not knocking anybody that wear false hair. I wear false hair sometimes too because me like change up my look and me like look different. But I won't be going out and spending $10,000 US on no false hair though. I can put a down payment on a house. I can buy a car. I can send my brothers to college. I can do a host of other things. Me sure nobody not get that much from me. I like girl them with the on the start newspaper they talk about how enough people don't pay that. Really? Really? She say how the girl them want look like the girl them overseas. That always fuck on up a Jamaica. Everything wanna see foreign people do, wanna always want do it. Everything wanna see foreign people do, wanna want do it. And everything what foreign people do, wanna for do it. Wanna know how foreign people have to clean shit. Wanna know how foreign people have to take pit in a face. Wanna know how foreign people have to take call nigger. Wanna don't know how all the discrimination with foreign people go through. Feel look the way how them look. Some of them over here they sell crutches to just like the one in Jamaica. But I'm here to tell you guys this. Love yourself. Love who you are as a person. Love the hair will come out of your head. Learn how to take care of your hair. Learn how to make your hair look good. And then there won't be any need to buy no $120,000 wig. And I'm not looking down upon them. I'm not being judgmental. I'm not doing anything like that. I'm just telling it exactly the way it is. Love yourself. Learn to take care of your hair. Enough of things a man find long hair and long Brazilian hair sexy and nice. And honestly, any man will find long Brazilian 30-inch hair sexier than a woman's natural hair is just as dumb and stupid as the woman with a weird 30-inch Brazilian hair. There is nothing more beautiful than a woman in her natural state. And if a man can't love you in your natural state, then he does not need to be with you. And it took me a while to know that. It took me, being with my husband to figure that out. No real man not gonna love you when you all fake up and make up. They're gonna love you when you're authentic. They're gonna love you when you're yourself. But it takes time. It takes a lot of healing. It takes a lot of growth. And my husband wasn't the only factor that made me realize that I had to go through my own journey. When I went natural, I had to learn how to take care of my hair. I had to learn how to love myself. I had to learn how to love how I look with my natural hair. I had to learn how to understand how people are going to perceive me and look at me with my natural hair. So, with all that said and done, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about our Jamaican women spending $120,000 per wig and all these things, because quite frankly it's very shocking to me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuce.